Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Gamers Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to turn off hints in Candy Crush Saga. To turn off hints in Candy Crush Saga, open the Candy Crush Saga application on your mobile device, which can be an iOS or Android. Once you're inside the homepage of Candy Crush Saga, click on the gear icon at the top right hand corner. Now, this will open up the settings interface where you need to tap on accessibility. Now turn off the button right next to hints. Make sure that it turns gray and not green. And finally, after you turn off that button, you will be able to disable hints on Candy Crush Saga. Turning off hints will stop the game from automatically suggesting moves, allowing you to play without any assistance. If you want to turn on hints back on, follow the same steps to enable them again. This will now give you a more challenging and self-guided experience in Candy Crush Saga. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gamers Tech for more Candy Crush Saga tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.